Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are my new file folders for my office. They're from EOOUT, and they are beautifully designed. I love all of the floral designs that they have, and I even love that with every floral design, there is a plain one that matches, and it's two-toned, so you can even build a system that way. But my favorite thing about them really is the quality. You can see how glossy these are, and they're so thick, like a really, really thick, durable material, which is really important when you're going through your files a lot. You don't want to be replacing folders all the time. It also just brightens the space. You know, the office could be a boring place, but these just bring some life, spark some joy while you file, and well, they're just really pretty. Let me show you how they brighten up the space in my office. As you can see, I have my filing system out in the open, so all the more reason to make it pretty and super functional as well. So if you're in the market for some file folders, I highly recommend you get some pretty ones like these, and that is my point of view.